Okay, this is the parking lot of Home Depot, and this is what it looks like. It's like a huge river, like a lake. Let's go. Washing the car. It's like knee deep at least. Car's barely making it through it. Oh, I'm thinking I'm gonna get stuck. Maybe not. There's another idiot. Okay, enough.